So good morning children. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is what? Understanding quadrilateral. So in this chapter we will discuss the different type of quadrilaterals and what is polygon, what is curve, what is concave polygon, what is concave polygon, like this. So many things we are going to discuss in this chapter related to what? Quadrilaterals. Okay. So first of all, let us try to understand the meaning of curve. What is curve? Curve. Now you see children, in general sense, you might have thinking that curve means this one, a zigzag line. A zigzag line is called a curve. Okay, but in mathematics, it is not like that. Okay, in mathematics, the definition of what curve is, suppose without lifting the pencil, whatever figure you will draw. So you see, while drawing this figure, whether I lifted the pen or chalk, so without lifting the chalk or pen, I have drawn this figure. Okay, without lifting the pen or pencil, whatever figure you will draw, that is called a curve according to the mathematics. Okay, means suppose if I ask whether this is a curve, so definitely you will say no, it is not a curve because it is a straight line. How it is a curve? Okay, because in general sense we thought a zigzag line is a what? Curve. But it is not like that. In mathematics, without lifting the tip of the pencil or tip of the pen, whatever figure you will draw, that is called a curve. You see, while drawing this a line, I draw this line without lifting the chalk. Okay, so that's why it is also a curve according to the mathematics. Okay, so what is curve then? Without lifting the pen or pencil, whatever figure you will draw is called a what? Is called a curve. Is called a curve. Okay, means this is also an example of curve because I have drawn this figure without lifting the what? Chalk, pencil. This is also a curve. You see, without lifting I am drawing. This is also a curve. This is also a curve. So these are all the examples of what? Curve, because I have drawn all this figure without lifting the pencil. Okay, chalk pencil. Now I hope it is clear. So what is curve then? Curve means without lifting the pen or pencil, whatever figure you will draw is called a what? Curve. Understood? So according to the definition of curve, this line segment is also a what? Curve. And these are all curve. Now let us see the different type of curves. What are the different types of curves are there? Okay. Now you see types of curves. Types of. Now you see two diagram I have drawn. And what are the differences you have observed in these two curves? You see, in this curve it is what? This curve is closed and this curve is what? Open. Okay, so there are two types of curves. One is what? Closed curve. Closed curve, and another one is what? Open curve. There are two types of curve, that is called closed curve and another one is what? Open curve. I hope it is clear what is the definition of the curve and how many types of curves are there. There are two types of curve. One is closed curve, another one is what? Open curve. Now we'll see the next topic, that is called what? Polygon. What is polygon? Let us try to understand polygon. So if you understand the polygon, then only if you understand what curve, then only we will able to give the answer of what? Polygon. So let us see what is polygon. Okay. Now, before going to the definition, let us see some examples. First of all, you tell me whether these two figures are curved or not. Yes, these are curved. And what type of curve these two are? They both are what? Closed curve. Okay, they both are example of what? Closed curve. Now, you tell me what is the differences you have observed between these two closed curves. It is also a curve, it is also a curve, both are what? Closed curve. But what differences you are observing in these two curves? Yes, you can tell me. Yes, the differences are, you see, in this closed curve is made up of line segment, but this closed curve is not made up of line segment. Are you getting what is the difference between these two closed curves? This closed curve is made up of line segment, but this closed curve is not made up of line segment. Those closed curve that is made up of line segments are called what? Polygon. Are you getting? This is polygon. Why it is polygon? Because this closed curve is made up of what? This closed curve is made up of what? Line segment. Okay, so closed curve, what is the definition of what? Polygons then? Closed curve made up of line segment. Closed curve made up of line segment is called what? Polygons. So I hope it is clear. So this is just a closed curve only. This is not a polygon. Why it is not a polygon? Because it is not made up of line segment. But this is a polygon because it is closed curve, and this closed curve is made up of what? Line segment. Okay. So can you give me some more examples of what? Closed curve? Polygon. Yes, it is a polygon, correct? Because this polygon is made up of line segment. How many line segments are there? There are 4 line segments. Okay, and out of these 4 line segments, this polygon is made, and it is a closed curve made up of what? Line segment. Okay, so then how you will define a triangle then? Very simple definition of triangle. How you will define? If someone asks you what is the definition of triangle, this is a triangle, everybody knows. Then how you will define a triangle? The definition of triangle you can give like this: polygon made up of 3 line segments. Polygon made up of 3 line segments is called what? Triangle. And what is this? This is a quadrilateral, and this is also a polygon. Polygon made up of 5 line segment is polygon made up of 4 line segment is called what? Quadrilateral. So I hope it is clear what is polygon and polygon. So what is polygon? Closed curve made up of line segment is called what? Polygon. Okay. There are different type of polygons are there. We will discuss this one. Okay. So suppose vertices, then polygon. What is the name of the polygon? So if there are 3 vertices, means 3 vertices. Okay, if there are 3 vertices or sides. Okay, now you see here how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices are there and 3 sides are there. So a polygon that is made up of 3 vertices and sides. 3 vertices and side is called what? Triangle. Is called what? Triangle. If a polygon made up of 4 vertices and sides is called what? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. And if it is made up of 5 lines, 5 vertices and 5 sides, it is called what? Pentagon. Okay, if it is made up of 6 line segment and 6 side and 6 vertices, it is called what? Hexagon. If it is 7, it is made up of 7 side and 7 vertices, it is called heptagon. What? Heptagon. Okay. If it is made up of 8 line segment, it is called what? It is made up of 8 sides and 8 vertices, it is called octagon. Okay, so like this, if it is made up of 9 segment, it is called nonagon. If it is made up of 10 segment, 10 sides, it is called decagon. So all these things you will get in page number 35, and please go through it. Page number 38. The classifications of different type of polygons is given, and you can go through it. If a polygon is made up of 3 sides, it is called triangle. If a polygon is made up of 4 sides, it is called quadrilateral. If a polygon is made up of 5 sides, it is called pentagon. If it is 6 sides, it is called hexagon. If it is 7 sides, it is called heptagon. And if it is made up of 8 sides, it is called what? Octagon. Okay. So these are the different types of quadrilaterals. Or different type of polygons are there, and these are these. Okay, now the next things we are going to see. So I hope it is clear what is closed curve, what is open curve, and what is what? Polygon. So now, suppose this is a polygon. So this part of the polygon, sorry, this is not a polygon, this is a closed curve. This part of the closed curve is called interior. And this part, that outside part, is called what? Exterior. Okay? Exterior. So in a what? Closed curve, this part is called interior part, and this outside part is called what? Exterior part. Now we will see some another 2 type of polygon, that is concave polygon, convex polygon, and concave polygon. Okay, convex and concave polygon. Convex polygon. Convex polygon and concave polygon. Alright. Now you see. So before going to the main topic, that is convex polygon and concave polygon, you should know what is the meaning of diagonal. What is the meaning of what? Diagonal you should know. Okay. Diagonal means, suppose here I am drawing one quadrilateral. Okay. Here I am drawing one quadrilateral, and these are the vertices. What? These are the vertices or vertex. In singular form it is called vertex, and in plural form it is called what? Vertices. So these are the vertices. So what is diagonal? Diagonal means it is a line segment. Diagonal is a line segment that join the opposite vertex of a what? Polygon. Okay. Suppose this is the vertex, and what is the opposite vertex of this? This one. So definitely this one. So this line segment. So this opposite vertex I have joined with the help of this line segment or not. So this line segment is called what? Diagonal. Correct? And what is the opposite vertex of this one? This one. So if I join this one, this is called what? Diagonal. So the line joining the opposite vertex of a polygon is called what? Diagonal. These lines are called what? Diagonal. Why it is called diagonal? Because these are the 2 opposite vertices, and this line segment joins these 2 opposite vertices. That's why it is called a what? Diagonal. Okay. So before going to convex polygon, we have learned diagonal. So what is the reason behind this? Let us. Now convex polygon means, in convex polygon, whatever diagonal you will draw, it will lie inside the polygon. Are you getting what I am saying? Okay. Now you see here. Now here I will draw this diagonal, this diagonal. Now you see these 2 diagonal lies outside the polygon or inside the polygon? Definitely all the diagonals lies outside the inside the polygon. जो diagonals polygon का अंदर में ड्रॉ करने से polygon का अंदर में ही बैठता है, उस polygon को हम convex polygon बोलते हैं. Let us take one more example. Okay, suppose, okay, this is one polygon, this is also one polygon. Now if I draw this one, you see this is one diagonal and this is one diagonal. Okay, now you see this diagonal lies outside the polygon. That's why it is called concave polygon. Are you getting? So what is concave, convex polygon and concave polygon? Convex polygons means polygons that have the diagonal inside the polygon only. Okay, and concave polygon means the diagonal will lie outside the polygon. Or not all, but some. Suppose here in this figure, this is one diagonal, and if I draw the another diagonal, you see that another diagonal lies outside the what? Polygon. So that's why it is called a what? Concave polygon. So let us try to write the definition of concave and concave polygon. So what is convex polygon? In convex polygon, diagonal lies, all diagonals lies inside the polygon only, inside the polygon only. Okay, if the diagonal does not lies, all the diagonal does not lies in the inside the polygon, then it is called a what? Concave polygon. Convex polygon means if all the diagonals will lie inside the what? Polygon. Okay, now let us try to see some examples. So now let us try to draw the diagonal. This is one diagonal, this is a vertex, this is one diagonal. So these two diagonal lies inside only. But if I draw this diagonal, it lies outside the what? Polygon. So it is first type of polygon then. This is concave polygon. Concave polygon. Right? This is an example of what? Concave polygon. Now, if I draw this one, the polygon diagonal of this polygon, you see this one, this one. Now you see this diagonals lies inside the polygon only. That's why it is called convex polygon. Okay. So these are the two different types of what? Polygon. One is what? Convex polygon. Another one is what? Concave polygon. Okay. So that much for the today's class, and after that we will see some more things about what? Polygons in our next class. So thank you and have a nice day.